So I think just now the video has been I don't know what happened. Nevertheless, we will start to uh, do this autographic projection, right? Okay. Okay, we continue further. Okay, for example, this is the given principle of orthographic view. So the left side, top side, rear, right, bottom, front. Normally, I will ask students to help me to project for the front, top view, and the right view, the side elevations. Okay. So the standard views are front, top, and right side. The remaining three principal views usually do not add any information. Okay. Example lah, nah, tengok ni. So this is the 3D presentations. You can see it in the 360 view if you can touch the object. But if you translate it into the orthographic projections, okay, you should be able to come up with this. Okay, the dotted line here indicating that there's something beside this. Okay, hidden line. Okay, you cannot see it here from the right hand side, but behind this there will be a line telling that something is behind your shape. So this is, for example, the L shape, very simple, the plan view, the side view, the front view. Okay, the front view, okay, side view, first angle. Okay, rules of line creation and use. Okay, so since we'll be playing a lot of with these orthographic projections, so we need to have plenty of layers. Okay, so hidden lines represent the edges and boundaries that cannot be seen. Okay, the hidden lines here. So just I saw dotted line. So this is the hidden line, something that you cannot see it from the right hand side, but actually it is available behind it. Okay. So the hidden lines represent edges and boundaries that cannot be seen. Creating hidden lines. Rule number one: the length of the hidden line dashes may vary slightly as the side of the drawing changes. So the hidden lines here, you need to understand we have several types of hidden line. Okay. Uh, I hope you aware of this. So hidden lines should always begin and end with a dash. Okay. And begin here and end here. Dash. An exception is when the hidden lines begins or ends at the parallel, visible, or hidden line. Rule number three: dashes could join at corners. Okay. The center line. So you already knew the hidden lines, and you now understand these center lines. Center lines represent axes of symmetry. They are important for interpreting cylindrical shapes. Okay. Now, this is for example. So if you are given a 3D or isometric view, so you need to translate it. Okay. But of course, you will given this dimension for you to start with. Okay. So this is the orthographic projections. So this is the front view, top view, and the right side view. Okay. As you can see, the hidden lines from the top. Okay, top here, top view. So the green surface is here, the yellow L shape is here, and the hidden line for the symmetrical shape is the circle shapes. Okay, so exercise. So we should be able to make the first drawing. Oh, it's not available anymore. Okay, let us try. No more. Okay, it's okay. Actually, we can see from this exercise. Okay, exercise one. Uh, so we have three. So can you start with, okay, so for example, the exercise one. I hope I can open my web camera so that you can see the expression. Okay, still we have problem. I hope it can be viewed. Okay, so this will be your first task. Okay, how do we start with this shape? Okay, it's not that difficult, but first you have to see it clearly. So it has a symmetrical view for the box here. Okay, you see from the front, you will see the first one, two, three, four, five. Okay, five. Then from the right hand side, you can see that kind of L shape. Okay, but it has a tunnel down there. And from the top view here, I hope you can see it. I want to check my WebEx AutoCAD for today. I hope. Okay, it's being recorded and downloading. So I have now this is the third videos because of the webcam is not functioning. I hope you can bear with me. Okay. Let's say we're going to start. Okay, now we are going to start drawing. Okay, I will open my AutoCAD. Okay, we start with a new drawing. Okay, so ensure that your drawing canvas is free. So never mind. I want to check my units. I want to be this drawing to be in millimeter, and it should be single decimal point. Okay. Okay. Now, so I want to create a new layer here. New layer to begin with the red line. Okay, and it should be uh, orthographic projection. Orthographic projection. Orthographic line. Okay, it's okay. And it should be the current layer. Okay, now so you already set this layer. Now the principle of the orthographic projections is you need to extract the view from the isometric into the 2D. Okay, how do we establish a line? Okay, we have to always play with sometimes the auto mode to ensure that our lines are straight. Okay, okay, now so the principle here, if this is the right or the right elevations view, and this should be the front view, and on top of the front view it must be the top view of your shape. Okay, now we establish a line here. So I want this to be my 45-degree angle. Okay, because we need to extend the line. So when you are dealing with the orthographic projection, you need to always remember that you need to drag any shapes that or any view that you have drawn to be supported for the other view. Okay, I want to start drawing with this. I want to start to draw the front view first. So I need to know what is exactly the width is 90, the height is 60, and sorry, this is the width. Okay, this is the width. This is the length. This is the height. The length is 90 units. Saya tengah kelas, saya tengah kelas. Nah, okay, baik. 90 is the length, 90 units or 90 mm. My case, 54 is the width, 54 mm for example, and the height is 60. So you know that the first width, I mean the first dimension should be simplified the length of your shapes. Okay, I'm going to establish this construction line. Okay, here. Okay, uh, 5, 5, 5. Oh, never mind. So let's see what is dimension here. I want to know. I set a color layer here. So the construction line is here. Okay. 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 Now this is it. Uh, uh, I don't want to see this kind of text. I don't like. So I change it. So this is the front view. This is the top view. Elevation view. Okay. Now I want to start with. I think I should remove my front view here. So the construction line is here. So simply, what is the okay? The length is 90 units. There is at least a line here. Never mind. I don't want to auto it. Okay, 90 units. Line. For this case, if 90 units, you need to ensure that your units are reasonable or rational. Okay. Let's say you start with this first. What is the length? 0.9. So I'm scale it up to 1.0.5. 1 to 0, 1 to 0.01. Okay, 1, 2. Okay. So I think it's too big. Never mind. So we can always edit it. Okay, let's say okay, 9 units. It will waste 2.4. Okay. Okay. Now, so this will be my first. Okay, my first front view. Now I have this shape with me now. So remember, you need to always have your construction line layer. Okay, construction line. So choose any color. Okay, make as current layer because you are right now you are drawing it. You are still working on it. Okay, okay. I have enabled this construction line layer. So this will be my shape. Okay, now what is the height? It should be raised up to 60 units. Okay, so this is the front view of my shape. Okay, but it's not finished yet. You still have plenty of uh, object that you need to draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now going back here. So this construction line is here. Okay, now normally what I do, we project it, I will extend it because later on from the top view I can simply project it. Okay, so I can check it here. Okay, uh, too many decimal points, so I already taught you guys, right? So you only want. Okay, yeah, dimension layer should be different, so you create another layer. Okay, dimension. Okay, for example, let's say I'm going to start with green color. Okay, now so this should be, I'm going to measure again. All right, so for my case I will scale it up later on 1 to 10 because the actual unit is 90, but I scale it out to 9 units. Okay, uh okay, now go back to your construction line layer because you're going to start drawing the shape 30 units. Oh, three. So I project it upstairs. 3 up. Okay, and I want to have an equal distance. So I will enable the orthographic layer line. So for example, this will be, I want to leave it 1 unit. So 1 unit, 1 unit, 2 unit. Okay, here 2 unit, here. No, 1 unit. Okay, I hope you can understand it. So where will be this projection line? Okay, uh, here. So, so this will be the projection line. So I can easily extend the construction line for my shape. I already knew. Okay, example, here. Oh no. Okay, okay. Take this line. This will be my 1 unit. Okay. So the elevation view. So this is the starting point for you. The boundary or the left hand side. So you can simply drag here. So what width? 5 4. Okay, 5 4. Now this is it. Your elevation view. Okay, that's the boundary of your. Uh, so the skill is to extend line. Okay, okay, now this is your top view. You already have your top view. Okay, and this is your elevation. Nampak? Can you see? You cannot see it now. But what you can do is always refer to your layer so that you won't uh, miss out. Okay, I can simply say that I have the correct dimension for my case. Okay, 54, right? 54 the width. Okay, I got it. So again, so this is your shape. Oh, it takes some time. It's very simple object actually. Never mind. So we start drawing the remaining given shape. Okay, 30, 24. Okay, now we go back 30. Okay. No. I need to set current layer for the construction line. Okay, three units to the right. Wait. Okay, so the right here. So 24 going upward. Okay, 24 units. already here. What else? Okay, here 8 units. These 8 units, create another layer, hidden line. Okay, and the line, it should be, the line type should be hidden line. Load hidden line. It will appear hidden. You find it hidden line. Hidden. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Enable it. The color, it's up to you, but I will plan to use pink color. Set as current layer. Okay. Now, refer back to this. It will raise 8 units from the back. Okay. You cannot see it, but from the front, right? But you can, you can establish the line. 8 units. No. Construction line first. 8 units. 0, 8. Okay. Then there's it. There it. Okay. So this should be your hidden line. Now, okay. The principle of hidden line, it should be start, begin and end with dash. Okay, nampak tu? Dash. Here also dash. So you can know here will be your, your leaf for this. Okay, now I know at the back here. Okay, what else? Okay, it should is going down 30 units. Okay, but I need to check first whether it's correct or not, the dimension here. Okay, okay, good. Oh, wrong. Okay, this is not right. The construction line is supposed to be 20.4, 2.4 for my case. Okay, okay, 4. No, it's not like that. Dimension is okay. 3 units going below, going back to the construction line. 3 units. Okay, now. Okay, I hope you can see it. Okay, now this will be the shapes for the front view. So what I'm doing now, I turn on this my actual shape line. So we just wait, we need to see it. Okay, all right. Okay, what else? So when you turn off the layer, uh, this is it. You turn off the dimension. So this will be your actual shapes. Betul ke? Okay, let us check. Okay, here 1 2 1 2. Okay, 1 2 3 4 3 4 5 5. Okay, here is the trick here. Okay, tengok ni. Can you see it? Actually, The 8 units is the lift from this elevation, meaning that the edges or the downwards of this, the bottom line here is reflecting to this. Okay, but the 8 units hidden line here, you cannot see it from the front. Okay? You cannot see it from the front. Okay, now what I do is I enable again the hidden line, enable the hidden line, so that I only applies for relevant uh, area. You know that this is the hidden line, so something is behind this. Okay, here. All right, so you have completed your front view. Make sure you save your file. Okay, orthographic exercise. And okay, now you turn on back all the layer. So as engineer, you should be able to visualize. Okay, so you almost finish it actually. Now we go to the top view. In the top view, you will see only 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Oh, it's okay. I think we almost done it. But you still need to measure, right? What is the length? 15 units. 15. Okay, we'll go to the construction line layer. And this, it should be the hidden line. Okay, later on when you project it, to extend it from this 45 degree, you can know. Okay, so if you extend it, it will meet here. Here, this is the hidden line. Okay, lagi apa? Behind it, so we have 15 units behind. So you establish a line on one. Extend it. Oh no. Okay, so it should be hidden as well because you cannot see it from the top, right? So I think you almost complete the top view. Okay, regarding this, okay, 15. Here, this is the 15. So go to the actual line. So obviously the shape is in rectangular form. Okay, then you will have we need to see this 15 unit. Okay, see, you need to show what is the area here. Okay, 15. So this is 15, 30. So 55 minus 30 divided by 2. Okay, 55 minus 50. So you can know what is the width here. it should be 20 units. But as far as you are concerned, the 15 units is down here, not on the top here. So what is the what is dimension here? What is dimension here? Mm, mm, mm. Okay, this is the hidden line. Lima belas. It should be 15 as well. What should be appear? Okay, so we are lack of this. It should be empty here, right? Okay, so the width here, we are not sure, right? The width here, what is the width? So okay, let's make some dimension so that we can check. So this is your top view. Okay, satu dua tiga, 1 2 3. Am I right? So we should have 1 2. Okay, so yes, so the hidden line it should be like this. associate is here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. 1, 2. It's from the top. 1, 2. Okay. It should be like this. Okay. So it's not here. It should be empty. Okay. Okay. Now, so we turn on back our contraction line. So we almost finished this. So we extend it. So go back to your contraction line. You can simply drag everything what that you have drawn here. Okay. Okay. So this is what we call as projection, orthographic of projections. So this is the limit height. Okay. And you know that this is your hidden line from the top and front elevation. Okay. So you see from the from the right hand side. So you can simply drag it here. What else? You can see the L shape here. You just want an L shape. Okay. So this is it. Okay. It will rate 2.4. This is the 2.4. You can check from here. Okay. So you simply drag the construction line. Whoop. Can you imagine this? Okay. Satu, dua, tiga, empat, lima, enam, tujuh, lapan. It will raise 2.4. This is it. Betul ke? You tengok dari tepi, ada tak? Ada hidden line. So you still have, okay, you have this. You can see it clearly. So no hidden line here. But you still have this 15 units, okay, hidden line. So this 15 units you turn on back. Okay. So this should be here. It should be the hidden line. So mm, mm. On top of it for 30. Okay, I know here here 50 units. I know here. Okay, hidden somewhere here. Okay, here. This is the hidden line. Okay, you cannot see it. Here. See? So you make some measurement. No, dimension. And you can turn off the construction line. Okay, now this is your orthographic projection. Can you do it for me for another exercise? Susah ke? It's not difficult. Okay, so that all. Okay, so this is your orthographic projection. Okay, so I think we can flashback. First thing first, you need to start either from the front or the elevation, but normally I will start with front view. Okay, never mind. If you find it very difficult for you to open here and there, so you can simply bring the snip shape. Okay, there. Kalau pening lah kan, nak buka banyak kali. So there, that's it. Okay, make it as current layer. Alright. Okay, I think we have completed or achieved the objective here for the autographic projection from the isometric drawing. And I taught you on how to use this construction line, this hidden line, okay, the extent, the tree, okay, and the dimension. So how to ensure that you are well versed with the layer managers, okay. So I hope you can try first. Tapi kalau in real life macam ni lah drawing. This is very simple drawing, tak susah pun. Okay. So with that, thank you and don't forget to put in the title block, right guys? So Assalamualaikum and please buat the other two assignments. Ni lah, exercise 2 and 3. I will give. It's actually already in the e-learning. Okay. So satu, I mean 1, 2 and 3. You do it for me next week. Okay. So thank you. Bye.